at some point we rise from the ashes. We pull ourselves out of the ditch that we've been in for so long. And after so many months or possibly years of nothing was dismantling, everything we've ever known, stripped down, taken away from us. At some point, we reach that stage where we start to come back online. The ideas start filtering through. These creative ideas come to us in the silence. We start to journal, we start to make notes. We still have the back and forth of, these are stupid ideas. What am I even thinking? That's okay. That's perfectly normal. That's just your ego mind, because you still have an ego. That's just your ego mind still playing its role, saying to you, are you sure? Are you sure you want to do this? But it's at that point, the higher self, the soul, will push it away, will silence the noise. And behind it all, there's meaning, there's purpose, there's passion, there's creation that you have to share with the world in whatever that might be. And for me, building the temple, I finally stepped into somewhere that I can call my own and have a powerful platform, a sanctuary now that will help others, will help other people going through similar struggles and trials. But what I also offer is models, is platforms where you can now harness the power of AI. So coming from a more conscious programming now that we're living in, AI is the perfect tool to allow us as creators, as awakened souls, to start broadcasting, to allow our creations to come to fruition. And the beautiful thing about AI, which so many people say, AI is just artificial. Well, if you're an awakening soul, you know as well as I do that the world is artificial and fake anyway, okay? So we're here, each and every one of us is here to create and build. But the beauty of AI and the counterintuitive part of it is that now there's a shift happening. There's a paradigm shift, and it's gonna allow the people, the creators, the builders, the people with true, real meaning, the real people are gonna be able to blossom and shine. And I know this sounds a little bit far-fetched, and it may not be resonating with you just yet, but in time it most surely will. See, my point is that for so many years, we've had our voices dimmed down, silenced, quietened, as we're the outcasts, we're the strange ones. We think differently to everyone else. And we should do a job, we should sit at a desk, whatever it may be. And the beauty of it now is, and I can see it so clearly, is that AI is going to replace all that artificial nonsense. It's going to take away you sitting at a desk doing scripts for somebody else, building somebody else's dream. And what's going to happen is there's going to be a parting where the creators are going to now come online, and they're going to be in a position to share their wisdom, to share their knowledge whilst using AI, and share it with the world. They're not going to need team builders. They're not going to need to be the most dangerous man or woman in the room. They're just going to be themselves. But using AI is going to give them the tools to allow them to keep creating. And this is very powerful, very, very powerful. And I really want you to take it with you. and sit with it. See, nothing's being asked of you to run and dive at this and go at it, but you just need to take the time to understand the shift that's taking place. And in a more artificial world that we live in, AI, although called artificial intelligence, is the #1 tool that's going to help you build the dreams. It's going to help you create in flow. It's going to give you the time to breathe. It's going to allow you to do the things that would cost you fortunes. Hiring people that don't care about your project. Hiring freelancers that don't care about your dreams and your passion. You can work with this tool and help it guide you. And what we've built at the temple is exactly that. I want you to build a system for the creator, for the awakening souls, for the people that see through the veil, the people that have a voice to share with the world. And that's what we've built with the Temple AI. So if you are unsure about AI at the minute, or you're not too sure what direction to go, or you're finding it a little bit overwhelming, at the Temple AI, we've made this a nice and easy way for you to put your ideas together and allow yourself to keep creating without burnout. The systems that we've created are tailored for people like you. So if you want to reach out to me, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And you can check me out on LinkedIn. All my links are in the description. But I appreciate your time. And I'm never ever going to stand in front of you and show you Lamborghinis and Ferraris and tell you this is the business model that's going to get you rich. I'm giving you the models and I'm giving you the wisdom and the knowledge which you'll already work out for yourself, regardless of whether you take my programs or not. And the beautiful thing is as creators, we're able to elevate to the next level. And a world that's growing smaller, the voice of the real is getting louder. And that's the beauty of it right there. So I'm very passionate and I'm proud of what we've put together. And I'll be most grateful if you join me on the journey. So yeah, thanks for your time. If you've watched it up until now, I much appreciate you. I'm only a small channel. And I'm not trying to hit the masses. I just want to connect with the people that want to be real in this world. And that's where we go. That's where we go with it. So if you need to ask me anything, or you need to reach out, or you need your next steps on moving forward, please don't hesitate. God bless. Let's get this.